Hi students, I wanted to show you how to do Chapter 2 Breadwinner Questions Part 1. So you're going to answer these questions in your notebook and send me a picture, or you can type them over here. So you can click on your work and I'll just make it smaller so you can see. Okay, so you can just, what job does Parvana have at home? You can just click here and then Parvana, whatever her job is, Parvana sweeps the floor, and there were 2 jobs she had, okay? And then you go through and down here, find the correct word to complete the sentence. So the Taliban, so I can click here and I can just go backspace. The Taliban, let's see, encouraged girls to stay home. Okay, so I can go through it like that. When I'm done, I can turn it in. Now let's say I need to check page 5. So, I've got a lot of things open. That's not good. Okay, so too many documents open. And then I'm going to click here on the slides. And I can flip through the slides here by just going down, and they will move to the next page to read. Okay, so I can just keep going like this, up or down, and you can find all of the slides here. That's how you do it, and then I can just go exit, go back. Where's my assignment? There's my assignment, and go back here to my document. Okay, so that's how you look at the slides and do this assignment.